This is Cradley Heath level crossing in the West Midlands. You think it's Staffordshire, it isn't actually in Staffordshire, but it's in the West Midlands, near to Stourbridge. It's not far from here. There's another one of those strings like when I saw at Stone. It's fairly loud, these alarms, but yeah, not massively loud though. Yeah. By the looks of it, the barrier arms look brand new, but the cubicle isn't. See, they look amazing. These barriers, they look new. Apart from that string is missing a little bit. This is not the first it isn't the first visit to this crossing. I've been here before. That's an old one. You may notice there's a new alarm over there, so it looks like they replaced one of the alarms. Dad's moving my car there. These barriers do bang on the floor. This one doesn't even leave the floor. Looks like a bit of a dent there from the older barriers. That's pretty low, that is. Look at it. Can hear Anne in the background. It's got you going to Kidderminster. I mentioned Blakedown because this is on the same line as Snow Hill line. Yeah, well, it's first video for my channel. It isn't the first visit though. And let's do the video on the other side next. Into Dorridge. Skipping that Old Hill and Langley Green. Track rating. Wilson to 214 to Kidderminster. Bit of a flange squill there. Will be staying, I suppose. Bent those lights, like at a bit like at Harsbury. Not focusing for lighting. put balls and clips on it. Used to have it. See that little indent there? This is actually original white board that used to be underneath. Okay. Okay. Then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 332 to the garage. Not 342. The Cradley Heath sign, and then that one here is the Cradley sign. Yeah, I said I was going to get on the other side. 6 minutes. Come on, this crossing stays down long. If it goes down too early, that's why.